Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through conditions. Let's dive into understanding the different conditions you can set within the course. These conditions help tailor the learning experience to fit your needs. When adding conditions to blocks and activities in your course, firstly, you'll need to navigate to the specific block or activity where you want to add a condition. If it's a block, just click on Settings, and if it's an activity, hit Edit. From there, find the Condition tab. Now, when you add a condition, you're essentially giving yourself some options on whether to show or hide the activity based on certain criteria. These conditions can also lock activities, which learners will see with a lock icon in the activity overview. You've got a couple of choices here. You can either hide the activity when it's not available or gets hidden due to conditions, or you can keep it visible, but lock it if certain conditions aren't met. Either way, started or completed activities won't be hidden, and results will still show up. To add a condition, just hit the plus add button and choose the one that suits your course. Now, let's break down the different types of conditions. First up, you can set conditions based on time and date. For instance, you can make something available only after a certain date has passed. Then, there are conditions based on activities and blocks. You can make an activity available only after another one is completed, for example. You've also got conditions based on retention and objectives, as well as granting explicit access. Now let's set up a few of these conditions. It's as simple as clicking on the one you want. You can even select multiple conditions and choose how they relate to each other, whether all conditions must be met or just one. Each condition comes with different criteria to set. Just click on the drop-down menu and make your selections. Depending on the condition, you might choose specific days or months, dates, or select a particular block or activity. And hey, you can even send notifications to learners if you want. Once you're all set, don't forget to click Update. And remember, once your course is published, you can't add or remove conditions, but can load new activities with new conditions. Easy, right? If you need more information on conditions, be sure to check out the description for further details. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.